I hope you're doing great. I welcome you on board on the site named as Paper Mario. I think you guys will love the name because this is a gaming website. Guys, this is not my site. My work is to update your knowledge with Paper Mario reviews. So let's start with that. Guys, what do you think? Working from home and playing Paper Mario can be a great duo. You can give your best shot in playing the amazing game. If you wanted to know, then explore the reviews with me. So guys, as you can see the homepage, it is very beautiful. The gaming, the picture of the Paper Mario is very beautiful. Guys, this is the sixth version of the game, that is Paper Mario Origami King. Even if you can watch the trailer from here before buying the game. So guys, as you can see, the website says a new paper crafted Mario adventure unfolds on Nintendo Switch. So guys, this website is very great for the gamers. I can say that. According to the research, guys, the Paper Mario is a role-playing video game which is basically an action and adventure. It was designed and developed by Intelligent Systems. Guys, my investigation says that the game has received the words of praise by critics and they love the soundtrack, dialogues and game graphics. Guys, one thing more. The latest news says that this sixth version of Paper Mario series Origami King is gaining heights of success. So if you wanted to play this, you can buy it. Now we'll see what else the website has for you. These all are the pictures of game, how to play this game easily. You can see it says discover the new battle system and new abilities that Mario will use to battle his origami foes. You can easily buy the game, get the physical or digital version of the game. Just start shopping from the website. Guys, you can easily get new updates on Nintendo on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Now guys, we're going to see the privacy policy of the website. As the privacy policy will spoke about the game and the official site. So it says last updated was on 12th 2019. What's changed at Nintendo? They know the privacy is very important to you, so they take care of them very carefully. The categories of information they collect are information that they give to us about the device, and all the information is available here. So before buying your favorite game, just check out its privacy policy and then you can take your decision, guys. So guys, all the information is available here. You can see the support system, the parents, legal, privacy, ads, all the system is available. You can easily sign it up. Next is guys terms of use. So guys, terms of use will avail all the information how to use this particular site. So it says welcome to Nintendo.com. These terms of use apply to your access to use the website and any other website. Just carefully read it. Eligibility is given. Guys, only above 18 age of person can play this game, buy this game. The privacy is there. The ownership is there. Limited license is available. All the information is guys available. You can just check it out on the screen. If you wanted to have the website feedback, then social media presence of the website will give you the immense information. The address is also given. So guys, if you're finding any problem, you can just go through all the information given on the website. You can easily log in or sign up. Next guys, we'll switch away to the homepage again. So guys, the homepage says that yes, it is the best way of gaming. According to the reviews, the game is exciting and can easily play it. The game is an adventure and the Mario and Nintendo amazing dialogue, soundtracks gives you a fantastic experience. So guys, if you wanted to have fun during pandemic, you can buy the digital or physical game from the website. So guys, if you found the information knowledgeable, hit the like button. Do tell your Paper Mario experience on the comment section. And for more training updates, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your games. Online games are very exciting. enjoy a lot. Thank you so much.